वेलकम to सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ रेणुका ज्युनियर कॉलेज. Myself साळवे उमेश कुमार अशोकराव. I am the staff of physics 12th science. Now we take lecture number 4, same topic, rotational dynamics. Next, lecture number 4, rotational dynamics. Vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion. Two types of vertical circular motions are commonly observed in practice. Number 1. A controlled vertical circular motion such as a giant wheel or similar games. In this case, the speed is either kept constant or not totally controlled by gravity. Vertical circular motion controlled only by gravity. In this case, we initially supply the necessary energy, mostly at the lowest point, खालच्या पॉइंटला. Then onwards, the entire kinetics is governed by the gravitational force. During the motion, there is interconversion of kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. म्हणजे दोन टाईपचे सर्क्युलर मोशन. कंट्रोल व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशनमध्ये जायंट व्हील किंवा सिमिलर टाईपचे गेम असतात आणि व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन हा ग्रॅव्हिटीने कंट्रोल होतो. यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त एनर्जी ही लोएस्ट पॉईंटला द्यावी लागते. नेक्स्ट, point mass undergoing vertical circular motion under gravity. Case first, mass tied to a string. जर दोऱ्याला आपण एखादं वजन असलेली गोष्ट जर टाईड केली म्हणजे बांधलेली असेल. मास टाईड टू अ स्ट्रिंग. द फिगर 1.10 shows a bob treated as a point mass tied to a practically massless, inextensible and flexible string. ती स्ट्रिंग जी आहे ती मासलेस, इनएक्सटेन्सिबल आणि फ्लेक्झिबल स्ट्रिंग असणार. इट इज व्हर्ल्ड अलॉंग अ व्हर्टिकल सर्कल सो दॅट द बॉब परफॉर्म्स अ व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन अँड द स्ट्रिंग रोटेट्स इन अ व्हर्टिकल प्लेन. आणि ती स्ट्रिंग व्हर्टिकल प्लेनने रोटेट होणार. ॲट एनी पोझिशन ऑफ द बॉब देअर आर ओनली टू फोर्सेस ॲक्टिंग ऑन द बॉब. बॉबवरती दोन फोर्सेस ॲक्ट होत आहेत. ए पॉईंटवरती एम जी, बी पॉईंटवरती एम जी. डायग्राममध्ये दाखवल्याप्रमाणे डी पॉईंटवरती अंडर एम जी आणि सी पॉईंटवरती एम जी. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी फोर्सेस प्रत्येक पॉईंटला एम जी कॉस थिटा आणि एम जी साईन थिटा दाखवलेला आहे. डायग्रॅमॅटिक व्ह्यू व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशनचा. Its weight mg vertically downwards, which is constant, and the force due to the tension along the string directed along the string and the towards center. Its magnitude changes periodically with time and location. Time आणि लोकेशन त्याचा चेंज होत असतो. As the motion is non-uniform, जर मोशन non-uniform असेल, the resultant of these two forces is not directed toward the center except at the uppermost and the lowermost positions of the bob. At all the other positions, part of the resultant is tangential and is used to change the speed. Speed change होण्यासाठी. Uppermost position. Both weight mg and force due to tension Ta are downwards, that is towards the center. In this case, their resultant is used only as the centripetal force. Thus, if Va is the speed at the uppermost point, we get mg plus Ta is equal to mVa square upon r. Radius r of the circular motion is the length of the string for minimum possible speed at this point, or if the motion is to be realized with minimum possible energy. Ta is equal to 0. किंवा therefore VA minimum is equal to under root RG. Lowermost position B. Force due to the tension TB is vertically upwards, that is towards the center and opposite to mg. In this case also their resultant is the centripetal force. If Vb is the speed at the lowermost point, we get Tb minus mg is equal to mv square upon r. While coming down from the uppermost to the lowermost point, the vertical displacement is 2r and the motion is governed only by gravity. Hence, the corresponding decrease in the gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Mg in bracket 2r is equal to half mvb square minus half mva square. Vb square minus va square is equal to 4rg. Using equation 1.11, VA minimum from equation 1.10 we get VB minimum ची व्हॅल्यू येते अंडर रूट 5rg. Subtracting equation 1.9 from equation 1.11 we can write TB minus TA minus 2mg is equal to m upon r in bracket VB square minus VA square. Using equation and rearranging we get TB minus TA is equal to 6 mg. Position when the string is horizontal C and D. Force due to the tension is the only force towards the center as weight mg is perpendicular to the tension. Thus, force due to the tension is the centripetal force used to change the direction of the velocity and the weight mg is used only to change the speed. Speed change करण्यासाठी. Using similar mathematics, it can be shown that similar mathematics ने हे दाखवू शकतो आपण TC minus TA is equal to TD minus TA is equal to 3mg and VC minimum is equal to VD minimum under root 3rg. Arbitrary positions असतात याच्यामध्ये. Next, at an angle theta with the horizontalच्या ठिकाणी considering the vehicle to be point and ignoring friction and other non-conservating forces like air resistance, there are two forces acting on the vehicle. त्या vehicle वरती दोन forces act होत असतात. Weight mg vertically downwards and normal reaction n perpendicular to the surface. Thus, in magnitude n cos theta and n sin theta is equal to mr omega square is equal to mv square upon r. Therefore, tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. Most safe speed. For a particular road, r and theta are fixed. Thus, this expression gives us the expression for the most safe speed, not a minimum or maximum speed on this road, as Vs is equal to under root Rg tan theta. Banking angle. While designing a road, this expression helps us in knowing the angle of banking as theta is equal to tan inverse in bracket V square upon Rg. Speed limits. Figure 1.7 and 1.8 show vertical section of a vehicle on a rough road of radius r. त्याची radius r असणार banked at an angle theta. एक angle thetaच्या ठिकाणी bank राहणार. If the vehicle is running exactly at the speed, जर ती vehicle exactly speed ने running होत असेल, Vs is equal to under root Rg tan theta. These forces acting on the vehicle are number 1 weight mg acting vertically downwards and normal reaction n acting perpendicular to the road. As seen above, only at this speed, the resultant of these two forces, which is n sin theta, is the necessary centripetal force. तो गरजेचा असणारी centripetal force. In practice, regular practice मध्ये vehicles never travel exactly with this speed. For speeds other than this, the component of the force of static friction between road and the tires helps us up to certain limit. काही विशिष्ट लिमिटच्या वेळेस आपल्याला ते मदत करतात. फिगरमध्ये दाखवल्याप्रमाणे बँक रोड लोअर स्पीड लिमिट असणारे याच्यामध्ये कंपोनंट दिसत आहेत. vertically downwards mg, vertically upward n cos theta, horizontally to the center of motion fs sin theta, fs cos theta आणि n. Again upper speed limit vertically downwards mg, vertically upward n cos theta to center of motion. Bank road upper speed limit. थँक यू. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर असणार आपलं लेक्चर नंबर 5. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन हा बीट बघणार आहोत. सेम टॉपिक रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स. थँक यू.